Extang Trifecta 2.0 soft folding truck bed is a lifesaver. I mean, there started this movement in trucks about 20 years ago to where it wasn't a work tool anymore. People started using trucks the way I use this one every day as a daily driver, as a vehicle to get to work because you enjoy riding in a truck because you feel safer in it, because you just feel it accelerates better. Like some people, like myself, just use the truck as a daily driver. And if you do, this soft bed liner just is a game changer. It's really what you need because you weren't using the bed in the first place. It was a liability. All sorts of drifters and people were looking in the back, tossing things in the back, tossing bottles in the back. It's just a way to secure that space, keep it neat, keep it safe, keep it closed. Aerodynamically also, it does a great deal because you don't get that wind catch and that blowback that you would with the tailgate. So it's an incredibly useful tool. And you can see, like, I've had this for over a year. It stayed super clean. It's durable, it's strong, it fits this Dodge perfectly. I'm so glad that we got it, and it just changes the truck so well, and I highly recommend it, guys. This is a high-quality product, and you're going to be super happy once you order it.